circus is beginning, and we ain't really even in the tree yet. Myron bumped a buck off a food plot. Walking in, he just sold horns. I got my bow, knowing I should probably be taking my rifle and just crossing my fingers and hoping that it all works out. But I'm on chance tonight. I'm gonna go down here to the road bed. I've hunted this spot once, haven't really seen any deer in it. But I think deer have been in here. Mark said there was a lot of sign in here today when he came to pour corn out. But we just don't think the camera's in the right spot to get pictures without corn, so maybe it'll be a good sit. Maybe we'll see some deer. And maybe we'll have one of the things they call an opportunity. Alright, here we go. First afternoon in Alabama. I'm in this spot. It's this old road bed right behind me. Bedding kind of back to my left. Real big open hardwoods all through here, bedding kind of back towards the highway. We don't necessarily have a good idea of where our big deer are. They're off of us right now, we think. We're just kind of waiting on them to come back. We don't really know what's in this spot because the camera hasn't been in the best place. It's normally where we feed them at, and we don't really think deer have been walking past it. We think they've been in other places, so it's very possible that there's a shooter using this area. There's scrapes in here. It's a fresh one kind of right behind the tree. But I'm gonna sit tight and see what unfolds this afternoon. Myricks on the other side of the 40 from me at the creek. I got the wind kind of right here in my face. It's the first northwest wind we've had to hunt this spot, so hopefully the wind checks out and it stays good and the deer move in here, so you'll stay tuned. It ought to be a good sit. I'm not real sure what he took off after. My guess is a doe. Sounded like a doe was on that hillside and she seen him. He saw her. When she noticed it, she took off, but I don't know where she's at. Hey everybody, we just want to tell you thank you so much for all of your support. If you're enjoying the videos that we've been putting out, we'd really appreciate it if you like our channel, subscribe to it, and click the bell to make sure your notifications are turned on so you can be notified when all of our videos are put out. We appreciate it. his toes. He never wanted to come in. I tried to call to him, which was tough to do because we don't have a lot of cover on the ground. He peeled around, and I thought he was going to give me a shot right here. I was going to send it at probably like 43 maybe, but he stayed behind that tree and then dipped out. Myrick don't feel sorry for me because my rifle's sitting in my back seat. That was him, no doubt. What a hammer. Y'all, he's a hammer. Big old mass, heavy mass deer. What up, y'all? It's so cold in my truck right now. I ought to be sleeping in too. My goodness alive, I should have took my rifle. Oh man, can't believe it. Can't believe I seen that deer last night, but I have no idea where I'm gonna sit this morning. I thought I did yesterday, but I went to pour out a bag of corn. It turned out to be a little bit sour, so I didn't end up pouring it out. So now I really don't know where I'm gonna sit this morning. Got an east wind, not much of one, but it's cold-ish. Like deer ought to move, but moon's almost full. Probably moved all night. We'll see what happens. Brought y'all out here to Myrick's hideaway. This is where he comes when he's feeling lonely, I guess. There's an iron skillet right here, y'all. This has been here the whole time? Somebody was living, bro. Heck yeah. They was living high and mighty. Like that one caught on fire.
What kind of knife out here? We're gonna take it down next year. I think it's actually probably a pretty good spot.
It is, yeah. We need to clean it up so we can hunt it now. Mm-hmm.
And you know, it pinches down all these fields. This is where it busts. That's right there and all the rest of
Yeah, straight down the creek.
100 yards that way.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So we're sitting here. Let me see it. And this deer I should have killed last night is standing at Myrick's spot asking to be shot right now.
It's supposed to be raining, Scooty.
It's supposed to be raining, that's why we're sitting here. And it ain't raining a drop on his head, it don't look like. It ain't touching me. It's green as everything. We sitting here fooling on computers and junk. Oh, that makes you sick, don't it?
I told you yesterday.
I know.
It makes it more predictable. What did he do? He
Well, it was supposed to be raining. I mean, I don't feel bad because it was supposed to be raining. That's nuts.
It was good.
I told you, man. I'm telling you, that's what I saw last night. That's what I saw.
It looks way different than that picture.
He looks like a champ, boy.
Right here, so.
Tell me, we ain't no good.
Yeah. He's showing off, man.